Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical smokeless wood stoves, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from smokeless wood stoves, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best smokeless wood stoves from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Stove Yukon 27-inch Smokeless Wood-Burning Fire Pit with Removable Ash Pan. The Stove Yukon 27-inch Smokeless Wood-Burning Fire Pit is the perfect addition to your outdoor setup, offering a smoke-free, cozy fire experience that keeps your surroundings clear of smoke, teary eyes, and unpleasant odors. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel with a high-heat ceramic coating, this fire pit is built to last for years, ensuring resilience even in harsh conditions. Weighing just 43 pounds, the Yukon is portable and ready for adventure, whether you're camping, at the beach, or enjoying a backyard gathering. The innovative double-wall design creates an efficient burn, leaving only ultra-fine ash, making cleanup easier than ever with the removable ash pan. With its sleek, stylish look, the Stove Yukon 2 serves as the perfect centerpiece for any outdoor space, providing warmth and elegance wherever you go. Enjoy a hassle-free, long-lasting fire experience that brings people together, perfect for making lasting memories with friends and family. Number 2. Surest Stove Large Smokeless Fire Pit 26-inch with Standwood Burning Stainless Steel Fire Pits. The Surest Stove Large Smokeless Fire Pit is the perfect addition to your outdoor gatherings with a 26.5-inch diameter that comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 people. Ideal for camping, bonfires, and patio parties, this fire pit provides a richer, more enjoyable experience for friends and family. Its innovative double-wall design with a unique enhanced convection chamber increases combustion efficiency by 80%, ensuring better smoke reduction and cleaner air. With its smokeless technology, you can enjoy your outdoor time without worrying about smoke ruining the atmosphere. The fire pit also comes with a removable ashtray and base stand, making cleanup easy and mess-free. Say goodbye to ash buildup and dirty hands when clearing the debris. To ensure longevity, simply maintain the fire pit by keeping it dry and clean, and always wear gloves during installation. Enjoy a cleaner, more efficient, and hassle-free outdoor fire experience with the Surest Stove Smokeless Fire Pit. Number 3. Tiki 25-inch Smokeless Patio Fire Pit, wood burning with removable ash pan. The Tiki 25-inch Smokeless Patio Fire Pit is your ultimate solution for a clean, smoke-free outdoor experience. Designed with an internal patented airflow system, it reduces smoke and ash, allowing you to enjoy your fire without the usual hassle. The high-quality 16-gauge stainless steel construction with a black powder-coated finish ensures durability and protection for years to come. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable ash pan, eliminating the need for messy and time-consuming maintenance. This fire pit radiates a robust flame with a 4-foot heat radius, keeping you warm during those chilly evenings. Its round shape comfortably fits traditional firewood, and for added convenience, it includes a stand and weather-resistant cover for easy storage. Measuring 24.75 into 24.75 into 18.75 inches, the Tiki Smokeless Fire Pit is perfect for any patio, offering a cozy atmosphere with minimal smoke. Plus, for extended burn time, you can use Tiki wood packs, sold separately, for a gas-free, hassle-free flame. Number 4. Slinky Stove 7-inch Smokeless Fire Pit, lightweight, compact, and portable with carry bag. The Slinky Stove 7-inch Smokeless Fire Pit is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a collapsible and lightweight design, this fire pit is ideal for camping, RV living, and backyard bonfires. When in use, it measures 17 inches wide and 14 inches high, but collapses to just 5 inches for easy storage and portability. It comes complete with a grilling grate, tabletop lid, carry bag, and a free poker for adjusting your fire. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the Slinky Stove ensures a smokeless experience while providing lasting functionality and easy maintenance. Simply unfold it, place your wood, and enjoy a cozy, smoke-free fire. Its compact size and design make it easy to transport and set up, perfect for your next camping trip or outdoor gathering. Whether you're a full-time camper or just enjoy outdoor adventures, the Slinky Stove is the ideal addition for creating warm memories in nature. Number 5. Yace Smokeless Fire Pit. 19-inch fire pit for camping with patented technology. The CIAYS Smokeless Fire Pit is the ultimate outdoor companion for your camping trips and backyard gatherings. Featuring patented waterfall flame technology with triple-layer combustion, this 19-inch fire pit maximizes heat output while minimizing smoke, ensuring a cleaner and more enjoyable fire. The innovative 360-degree airflow heat distribution provides a hotter burn with less smoke, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable, smoke-free experience. This fire pit comes with premium accessories including a 304 stainless steel grill rack for cooking, a strong fire poker, and a multi-purpose bag that doubles as a water-resistant cover or carry bag for transport. The portable design includes steel carry handles, removable fire bowl for easy cleanup, and foldable legs for simple packing and setup. Whether you're grilling outdoors or simply relaxing by the fire, the CIAYS Smokeless Fire Pit offers a durable, food-grade solution for a cozy, enjoyable fire experience on your patio, deck, or while camping. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.